Hey guys, it's Asheli from Out Reviews, and today it's BoxyLuxe Day. Look at this giant box. So I upgraded to BoxyLuxe, which, if you're not familiar, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box. It's $21. It contains 4 to 5 full-sized beauty items and has a retail value of $100+. They do now have the addition of BoxyLuxe, which is quarterly. So it's every 3 months you're billed an extra $28.99, so it comes out to $45, and you get, I think, 9 to 10 items. This is my first one. I'm super pumped. I just got it. I already know, I've seen everybody's, boxes. Mine came a little late. I literally, the mail lady just dropped it off, and I was like, whoop, gotta go make my video. It's still sealed. I don't know what's in here. I do know some of the most of the items. But we're gonna open it together entirely. So like I said, it's $45. I will put my referral code down below. Ooh, that probably shouldn't have been going towards me. Don't do that. And I'll also link to my full review because I'll be doing one of those too. All right, it's so big, right? So much bigger than the boxes usually so small. All right, so this is La Vie en Rose. So you guys know, this is beautiful, by the way, this card. I love it. And then they do a pretty good job of giving you all the prices of everything and just describing the item in general. I know there were some discrepancies this month with the palette. This box usually contains a palette, even the $21 box. It's a face palette, and some people were getting the medium to deep that had filled out their survey, because they do have a survey on the site that kind of helps them pick items for you. People were getting face palettes that were light to medium, and they were not. That was not their chosen skin tone. So, all right, anyway. But that's okay. I mean, you can trade or whatever. All right, so first is it was like plastic, like brand new sticky plastic. But this is their I'm throwing this all on the floor. Isn't this cool though? This is a pretty big, it's kind of hollow, like almost an opalescent, I'd say, makeup bag. I think it's super cute. Kind of rose gold's kind of opalescent, great for traveling. And then it says Boxycharm inside, but I'll be honest, I hate when stuff has like logos all over the outside. I don't want to be your advertisement. No offense, but so it's just on the inside, which is cool. And then I can transport all my goodies up to my vanity in this. All right, next is some Lily lashes. I cannot figure out faux lashes for the life of me. People have given me tips. I've tried. I don't bother. I know, like, it doesn't even look like I wear makeup. I do wear makeup. It's just, it's a day. So this is the limited edition faux mink lashes. I'll go through the retail prices at the end. I don't want to kind of give it away to myself yet. Everything that's in the box, I should say. But they are beautiful. Like, they're super. Look at that. All right, then I'm super pumped for this. This is the iconic London eyebrow cushion. Be original, be iconic. Is there like different colors? Is it one color? I don't know. I'm trying to see. I've had like a lot of like motivation problems lately. I felt like 2 weeks ago I was like on fire. I was like, yeah, I'm getting stuff done. And then like I go like this, and then I go, whew. I got nothing done today, but look how pretty. So pretty. So I'm curious to see the color. So you get a little spoolie, well, sort like a spoolie type, and then you get a little like angled brush, and then there's this. Oh, do I want to open it? I don't want to open it right now. Well, let's open it right now. There it is. Ooh, so it's two-toned. Oh, that's cool. I'm not gonna swatch this just because I have a feeling I don't know how to use it yet. But I'm excited for that. I'm actually really pumped. Oh wait, hold on. I want to show you something. I don't want to just lay that. It's got like product on it, and I don't really want to lay on that one. The brushes, this is cool. Look, isn't that cute? I love it. I'm putting it on my eye. I don't know why I did that. It doesn't matter. You get what I mean. And so it does have like a mirrored surface. It's not a mirror, but it's a mirrored surface. Let me make sure I close that right, because I don't want to forget and have it dry out. Okay, so that's really cool. I love eyebrow products. I love trying them out. I love playing with new ones, so that's something I'm going to test out. All right, so next we have our palette. This is the Cover FX medium deep. I did get the medium deep. Obviously, this is not going to be for me. I'm not going to keep this. I know some girls said that they would use it as eyeshadow. I don't really wear eyeshadow. Y'all know that. So we will go over the retail value of it in a moment. But I love that the packaging is so nice. I'm so sad. I really wanted this. All right, anyway, such a bummer. I get it. I know it is what it is, but it's a bummer. All right, this is the IT Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. This is the 2 ounce. I don't know, like every IT product I've ever tried, and I'll be honest, it's not a whole lot. I was not a huge fan. I know people are raving about this, but we'll see. Anti-aging armor. IT Cosmetics. This is like a really nice bottle though. And by the way, also these sorts of face creams bug me out because you're putting your fingers in, and like when you have a routine, like I'm not washing my hands in between each step because that's just ridiculous. I do wipe them off, but when you put your fingers, like if I put on a let's say a sunscreen, right? That's usually what I put on before I put on my moisturizer, and it's tinted. You're getting it in here, and that just, it speaks to me in like all the things you don't see that you're putting in here. I don't like them anymore. I used to love them. I don't like them anymore. All right, so we're moving on. So far though, it's a really nice box, and I'm not trying to be a brat about the Cover FX palette, but like, you know, man. All right, next up we have a Deborah Lippmann. This is a nail duo, Oh Donna and Modern Love. I'm really pumped for this one over here. I think this is the Modern Love. I'm not sure though. That's such a like pretty, like muted, understated, like a lilac color, like a blue tone. I love it. I think that's so pretty. All right, next. This is something I'm super pumped for. This is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. For all I complain about my red skin, I love this kind. I love, like, I'm a picker. Like, it's a thing that I do. It is probably part of the reason I'm in the predicament I'm in. I love peel off masks. I just love to like pull and peel. I love it. And I know that they're like more irritating than other masks. It does not make a difference in my heart though. So I'm pretty pumped for that. All right, next we have the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love in the color Poppy. Now I don't know if there was more than one color. I'm not actually going to swatch this because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I might pass this on to a friend because I feel like I have so much lipstick. But look at the packaging. Isn't that pretty? Ooh-wee. Let's do it. Whatever. Ooh. I'm swatching it. It's pretty. I don't feel like I have anything that's like that. Kind of has like a sweet scent. Isn't it pretty? I like that. I love that color. I don't know if that will work for me because I am so red, but it's still beautiful. All right, surprise thing I didn't realize I was gonna like so much. All right, let's move on. 2 items left, so we'll count everything up at the end. All right, this is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. I love getting brushes, so that's cool by me. So we've got like what looks to be like a highlighter lighting brush, and then just a face brush. So it says to pat translucent powder onto the face to create a flawless finish with this guy here. With those, look at those duotone bristles, super pretty. These are pretty, right? Look at that. That's a pretty brush. It's soft. It's not like super soft, which is interesting. Usually these brushes are like, they're so dreamy. It's kind of more, I'd say a little more firm, like, but that's good. I mean, whatever. And then this guy is obviously for highlighting. Let me get it out there. It's pretty. This one is softer, but still not super soft. All right, I'm gonna put them in the box because I gotta take pictures yet. So just put it back in there. All right, finally, we're at the end item. I remember when they first gave the spoilers, oh my goodness. They said that there would be a Morphe palette included, and people like were mad because Morphe is not as high end as people wanted, especially for a $45 box. Then they did say that they were going to put the Cover Effects palette. I kind of feel like they did that. The reason like we're getting these off colors, not that there's anything wrong with the colors, they're just not what we would have chosen ourselves, especially for a face palette. Like an eyeshadow palette, I get that there's mystery involved and you're not going to love every color. But for a face palette, you would expect that you would get the color that goes with your skin tone because you really can't use it otherwise. But anyway, I feel like they tried to include more because people complained about the Morphe and they kind of pulled that together maybe at the last, not at the last minute, but they just kind of, they're like, you're getting another palette. So then people felt like they weren't duped. So this is the 15H Happy Hour. I have never used a Morphe product, like ever. So I'm actually really excited. I know they had different palettes in the boxes this month. There's 15 shades. Blend the rules. All right. The packaging is nice. Every time I see, you see people like review them and people are like, about the quality. I actually think it's really nice. So which colors did I get? Ooh, so okay, I should say, Boxycharm, when you sign up, you get to pick like colors you like for eyeshadows, for lipsticks, for blah, blah, blah. I always go like surprise me or a mix of everything or whatever. I may have said neutrals on eyeshadows just because, I don't know, that's what I said. So they look pretty though. A lot of shimmers. It's a more like a rose toned. You see the guest bed over there? It's all messed up because the kids are always jumping on it. It's like a rosy pinkish kind of palette. It almost reminds me of the, what is that one palette from Naked? The newer, the cherry. But anyway, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matte shades, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes it 7. I don't know if this one is a shimmer or matte. I can't tell. It's kind of got a shimmer in it. Whatever. It's pretty though. I'll have to try it out and let you guys know what I think. All right, so let's count up our items. All right, so you've got our 2 palettes. We got our brushes. That's 3. 4 with our iconic brow cushion. 5 with the lashes. 6 with the Wonder Beauty. 7 with our nail duo. 8 with our lipstick. 9 with this, and then we get the cool bag. And for $45, I think that's an amazing deal. Like, I'm bummed about the palette, but I'm not trying to be a brat about it, I get it, I get how hard it is to probably like customize for everyone, and by the way, they're still new to the whole BoxyLuxe, so I think they're still trying to figure it all out. All right, so that Cover Effects palette is worth $45. And that has 6 different shades in it. So I'm not gonna try not to like touch it or anything. So you've got a brightener, and it does tell you what each one is for. Finishing powder, what is a finishing? Is that a bronzer? I don't even know. You got 2 highlighters, a blush, and a contour. I actually think that blush is really pretty. That color is just gorgeous. But considering too, since this is like more, it almost looks like the same like tones that were in the Morphe eyeshadow, to use it as eyeshadow, it's doubling up. So I'll pass it on to someone else. All right. Moda brushes, those are $29.99. The iconic eyebrow cushion is $40. That's a really nice product. I'm super, super excited for that. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Masks is $34. The Lily Lashes are $24.99. The IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream is $48. The Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love is $24. The Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette is $16. The Deborah Lippmann Odana and Modern Love Duo is $20. And the Boxycharm Train Case is $20 as well. Not a bad haul for 45 bucks. I mean, we can, if you want, we can count it all up real quick. So 20, 40, 30, 56, 60, 80, I'm sorry, I'm counting. 128, 160, 73, plus 30, 203, 243, 247, 277, It's a little over $300 in this box. So if you were going to go out and buy this stuff, you'd obviously pay more. I'm going to deduct my cover effects because I would never obviously buy that. But still, a freaking great box. I'm going to stick with the Luxe. I wish they did it every month. Actually, no, I'm not that rich. But anyway, if you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Boxycharm with my referral so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.